So guys, look at this mac and cheese. What if I tell you you can make mac and cheese just like this? Don't believe me? Watch. This is mac and cheese for beginners. So first, fill a medium-sized pot with water and set it on medium heat. Now you're going to grate 2 8-ounce blocks of cheddar cheese, sharp cheddar. Do not use pre-shredded cheese. Trust me on this. Now you're going to grate 2 8-ounce blocks of Kobe and Monterey Jack cheese. Separate your cheese into thirds. Salt your water. Now this is the macaroni of choice. You can use any pasta you like or just stick to the plan. See those bubbles? You're going to add the macaroni when it's a rapid boil. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and you're going to cook it al dente 6 to 7 minutes, no more. Now drain your pasta. You're going to add 1/2 of the macaroni back, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1 cup of milk. Add about 1/3 of your cheese and fold everything in gently over a low heat. Add your remaining noodles and another 1/3 of cheese and fold that in gently. Here's where you're going to add a little milk. If you find that it's too thick, you want it to be creamy but not too thick. Season with kosher salt, black pepper, and stir gently. You see, when I say gently, I mean gently. Don't overdo it to break up the macaroni. Hold up, wait. I know what you're thinking. There are no eggs in this recipe. Well, of course there isn't. You don't need eggs to make macaroni and cheese. Let's keep going. Transfer your macaroni to a baking dish. This is a 9 by 13. Sprinkle remaining cheese on top. Now add 1/4 cup of milk on top of your cheese, and don't worry, it's going to sink through the little crevices. Now sprinkle black pepper and paprika on top for color. I like a lot, but you don't have to. She's ready. 20 to 25 minutes at 350. Ooh, too hot for TV. Look at that. Look what we did. Nice and cheesy and perfect, and you did it. I told you. Trust your girl with this mac and cheese recipe. Once you get the basics down, you could get fancy with all your imported pastas and cheeses and show off to your friends and your family. Hit me up if you're new to the kitchen and you need a little help. We all need a little help sometime. Peace. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Shake and Bake and Blog.